Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Deepseek Proxy on Janitor AI. In order to do so, here we are at janitorai.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, using Deepseek Proxy on Janitor AI typically involves configuring Janitor AI to route its traffic through the Deepseek Proxy service. Here's a general step-by-step guide on how you can set this up. First of all, understand your tools. Janitor AI is a chatbot or AI system. Deepseek Proxy is a proxy service used to mask or route your request, useful for accessing restricted content, improving privacy, or bypassing geoblocks. Get the Deepseek Proxy details. You need the proxy credentials, proxy IP or URL, port number, username, and password, and configure Janitor AI to use the proxy. This depends on how Janitor is deployed or configured. Option A, if Janitor AI has built-in proxy settings, open your Janitor AI settings or configuration file, look for network proxy or connection-related settings, enter the Deepseek Proxy details, proxy server address, port, authentication details, and save the configuration and restart Janitor if needed. If Janitor doesn't have a direct proxy option, you might need to set an environment proxy. You can use Cider AI for some examples. Then run Janitor AI from this environment. Test your connection through Janitor to see if the traffic is routed correctly. You can use an online service that shows your IP address to verify if the proxy is effective. The exact process may vary depending on how Janitor AI is installed or accessed, and ensure that using proxies complies with Janitor AI's and Deepseek's proxies term of service. If you have specific configuration files or code for Janitor AI, you can use Cider AI to help with the exact setup if you provide them. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it.